It's the 15th of August, and a little classroom is getting ready for a special day. Meera sits by her desk near the window, looking outside with excitement. Today is a special day. She wants to draw the Indian flag, but her lines don't come out quite right. Her teacher comes over and gently shows her how to try again. And there it is, her flag drawn with pride. Beside her, Vihaan draws his own piece of India: mountains, rivers, and trees. Across the room, Aditi adds her colors too, with the same love in her heart. Manpreet draws the hills and rivers of his home, and Priya fills her picture with warmth and color. One by one, they keep drawing, each in their own way, and piece by piece, the drawings come together. Together they've drawn something bigger than any one of them, a beautiful map of India. They step outside and stand together beneath the tricolor, different faces, one feeling, one India, in their eyes, dreams, in their hearts, India, because their dreams are India's future. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Subscribe for more Treehouse Tales.